So yeah, so there's that. There's all the parts there. I've got to start tackling that tomorrow. 5 Series hasn't been anywhere in the last few weeks, actually, after the system started shutting down because it said that the car was overheating. Oh, why I'm looking at the light. Upcoming plans for the M3. I told you guys I'm going to get this car track ready. Got a surprise for you guys as to what's coming up with the car. Oh man, what is up, EAE fam? It's your boy AB back with another video. I've got a box right here that I am getting ready to open. We got some parts, primarily for the 5 Series, and got to do the oil change on the E92 M3. So we got this from FCP Euro. If you're not ordering from them yet, you might want to do that. All right, let's get this unpacked. Paper. All right, here's the packing list. I should have my water pump, belts, oil, and filter. So here's the filter for the E92 M3. Set that there. This is the thermostat for the FTN 5 Series. I forget which one is popping the code or losing voltage. I think it's the actual water pump, but I'm gonna go ahead and change the thermostat too, since we're gonna be down there, and I'm gonna change the belts. Here's the serpentine belt, which is just the one belt, and the screws that are in the water pump and thermostat housing, I believe those are one-time use. So once I back those old ones out, that'll be replaced. I think that's for the thermostat, and then the other 3 is for the water pump. So got to do the oil change. So here's engine flush. I already have some, but I bought some more. Engine flush, liquid moly, that is the way to go. We've got antifreeze here, which I've got some in the garage, just wanted to have extra. There's the liquid moly, 10W60, E92 M3. That actually calls for about 9 liters, so which is, you got the 5-liter bottle and 4 1-liter bottles. So, man, this is the, oh, there are the screws. So that's got to be, I want to say that is for the water pump. So that, where's my knife? Pop this open. Okay. There is the water pump. Man, this thing is a serious packaging. So that's everything there. Time to get to start working on the FTN 5 Series, torn down, replaced, and buttoned back up. And then of course, E92 M3 needs an oil change. So upcoming plans for the M3. I told you guys we're going to get this car track ready. Got a surprise for you guys as to what's coming up with the car. In fact, we've already gotten a quote from Performance Euroworks for getting the rod bearings changed. Now, honestly, I'm looking at this. I probably need to hold off. Probably need to hold off on doing the oil change because it looks like that's part of this. Yeah, in fact, it is going to be part of that because they got to drop the pan and all that to get to the rod bearing. So I'm probably going to have to wait on that because I plan on getting this done soon. So, like I said, so we're looking at about a little more than $2 grand to get that done. That's including all the parts, labor, and stuff. So definitely a lot less expensive than what I thought it was going to be. So happy about that. All right, so that's what's coming up, and then you already know the downpipes were installed from the previous video. We've got to do the tune. I've got something I'm working on right now that will come here in the near future pertaining to the build of, or the track build of this car. So we're going to talk about some stuff as it happens. I don't want to release too much information, but stay tuned on what's going on with the build. We do have an event coming up June 5th in Madison, Illinois, or I guess also called East St. Louis, Illinois. We're going to Technology Raceway, I want to say is the name of it. The M3 is going to make its first run, its first pass on a track since I've owned it. So getting ready to have some fun with that, which is the real reason a lot of this stuff is getting done for the car. So again, stay tuned for more news to come on that. Still got some content I need to put out from previous events. Stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. As always, I appreciate you guys. If you haven't smashed that like button yet, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell if you like this content and want to see more. Definitely go to the playlist, check out all my DIYs and all these other videos that are there. So with all that said and done, thank you to my servicemen and women that are serving, my fellow veterans, active duty members. Big salute to all of you. And as always, guys, you guys take care. And as always, keep driving.